Welcome back. See, previous video I mentioned various methods for preparation of carboxylic acid. In this video also I am going to discuss some other method involved in preparation of carboxylic acid, but whatever I cover in this video will not be there for annual exam. It will be there only for the competitive exams. Who are concentrating onto the annual exam, you can neglect this video. The first method now in this again. See, we can get the carboxylic acid by carboxylation of sodium alkoxide or potassium alkoxide. What is sodium alkoxide? RONA. This is the sodium alkoxide. Carboxylation means you introduce a CO group. Treat with carbon monoxide. Heat it. What I am going to get is RCOONA. I am going to get. To this, you add the HCl, means go for the hydrolysis. I am going to get RCOOH along with NaCl. Example: CH3ONa treated with the carbon monoxide, heated, gives CH3COONa. Treat with the HCl, I am going to get CH3COOH along with NaCl. Next one is action of heat on dicarboxylic acid. See, what is dicarboxylic acid? Two COH groups should be there. COOH. Decarboxylation means carbon dioxide should be removed. You heat this one. What happens now? Just here. CO2 group is removed. So I am going to get RC, H and H, H2, CH2, then COOH. Carboxylic acid will be obtained. Example: CH2, COOH. So heat it. Okay, CO2 is removed. I am going to get CH3COOH. Acidic acid will be obtained. So means CH3CO, then acidic CR here H, CO, O, C2H5 COO group is there here. C2H5 COO group is there. So it's ester group also. Acetal from here. What to do is you go for hydrolysis of it. And here also go for hydrolysis. So what I'm going to get is CH3COOH here. CH3COOH. Then RCH2COH. RCH2COOH plus C2H5OH ethanol. So C2H5OH, RCOOH, CH3COH. 2 carboxylic acid, 1 alcohol is obtained from alkene. Alkene is what? RCH double bond CH R dash. This is alkene. Go for the oxidation with alkaline KMnO4, and alkaline KMnO4 is used to test the unsaturated compound. Alkaline KMnO4 is also known as Bayes reagent. And what about that? Double bonded group, that they use alcoholic group. Then they get converted into carboxylic acid. Meantime, color of the KMnO4 get discharged. Compound plus Bayes reagent then color of KMnO4 get discharged. Unsaturated compounds are present. This is for the unsaturated compound also, the test. Across the double bond, that will be converted into RCHOH, CHOH, R dash, etc. Then they use carboxylic acid. So final product will be RCOOH plus R dash COOH. Carboxylic acid will be obtained over there. If R and R dash are same, then I get 2 moles of RCOH also. CH3 CH double bond CH2. On oxidation with Bayes reagent, I am going to get CH3COOH plus HCOOH, and HCOH can convert it into carboxylic. This carbon HCOH can convert into carbon dioxide and water also by the oxidizing agent. This chance also there. See this example: CH3 CH double bond CH3 with oxidation of by the Bayes reagent. I am going to get 2 moles of CH3COOH. Here's a symmetrical alkene. From alkyne, R C triple bond C R dash. Oxidation followed by hydrolysis H2O. I am going to get RCOOH plus R dash COOH. Write some example also. Next one is name reaction Arnott starch synthesis. This is a named synthesis. Arnott starch synthesis. What you do is take the acyl halide, treat with diazomethane. Diazo is N2, 2 nitrogen, methane 1 carbon. So CH2NH N2, which I can write it as CH2N2 also. What I am going to get is diazoketone RCO CH double bond N2. N. I can write N also. Okay? Or I can write it as RCO CH N2. Now, take this compound diazoketone Here don't get confused. So how it is N2 is bonding? It can be N and N. So if you have the confusion, write only this much only RCO CH and 2. Treat with the water. This acts as a nucleophile and gives RCOOH, carboxylic acid. And here the second, this conversion happens with Wolff rearrangement. The second step, Wolff rearrangement will be there. And this whole process is the Erlenmeyer synthesis. Amide is RCONH2. Treat with water in presence of H plus or OH minus means acid or a base. What are you going to get? Yes, here. I am going to get RCOOH along with NH3 ammonia, CH3CO NH2 acetamide plus water in presence of H plus or OH minus OH. So I am going to get CH3COOH acetic acid along with ammonia. Second method from amide only, RCONH2 treat with nitrous acid HNO2. So I am going to get RCOOH, nitrogen and the water molecule. Preparation of carboxylic acid from the amide using the water. It is there for the annual exam also, whereas this is there only for competitive exams. Example, CH3CO NH2 treat with nitrous acid gives RCOOH plus N2 plus water molecule, and this R is CH3O. Acetic acid will be there.